The ah sound is an open, back, and unrounded vowel. Is a common sound in American English. The ah sound is often represented by the letters O and A, or rather vowels in specific cases. Many learners pronounce ah as as in cat, or as in cup. However, ah is more open and back than these vowels. Imagine you are at the doctor and they ask you to open your mouth wide and say ah. That's the exact mouth position you need for this vowel. Relaxed and open. The jaw drops significantly. The lips remain neutral and relaxed, not rounded or spread. The tongue stays low in the mouth, with the tip positioned behind the lower front teeth and the back pressing down slightly. Repeat each word slowly, exaggerating the ah vowel sound. Not, not, hot, hot, stop, stop, lot, lot, rock, rock, father, father, block, block, lock, lock, calm, calm, gone, gone. Practice contrasting ah with other similar vowels. Lock, luck, lock, luck. Hot, hut, hot, hut. Rock, rack, rock, rack. Calm, cam, calm, cam. Body, buddy, body, buddy. Lock, lack, lock, lack. Gone, gun, gone, gun. Now, say each sentence slowly, making sure to pronounce ah clearly. Tom got a hot coffee at the shop. Tom got a hot coffee at the shop. My father walks a lot in the park. My father walks a lot in the park. The chocolate is not in the box. The chocolate is not in the box. Rob's dog got lost in the fog. Rob's dog got lost in the fog. The concert was long, but the song was calm. The concert was long, but the song was calm. For this exercise, try saying these tongue twisters slowly and gradually increase the speed. This exercise will help you improve your pronunciation speed and accuracy. Tom's dog stops on top of the hot rock. Tom's dog stops on top of the hot rock. Tom's dog stops on top of the hot rock. The fox stops and drops the clock. The fox stops and drops the clock. The fox stops and drops the clock. The hot sauce shop stocks lots of strong locks. The hot sauce shop stocks lots of strong locks. The hot sauce shop stalks lots of strong locks. The final exercise must be completed at home. Find audio recordings of native speakers and shadow them. You can use these resources. This is a crucial step because once you have mastered the correct pronunciation of the vowel, you need to train yourself to recognize it in real everyday English. See you in the next video.